Okay, this is our newest design and the real estate card holder, business card holder. As you can see, it's coated with epoxy, so you can kind of see here. I mean, our lighting's bad, but it's very protected, very stable, has a nice open house sign on there, which can be changed. Can say for sale, sold, whatever you like. The base color can be changed. We can change the nameplate. And like I said, we can change the open house, for sale, sold, anything particular you want. The post color itself, we can change. Black, white, gold. Same with the card holder. Can be black, white, gold, red. The base can be different colors as well. I'm going to pause you for a second and show you how to put in some cards. Okay, so I'm back, and these are basically my business cards. I didn't face them forward, but basically all you do is you can take 5 cards and you're just going to slide them right in here like so, and there you go. Now you actually have 5 cards in there. In case you run low, it happens. And then we'll put some in the base. Okay, so I just put 15 cards in the base. It'll hold like up to 25. You can see there's room in there. It's not, easy to tip over like other ones are. You can see it's very stable. So that's it. I'm going to shoot another video on another one. But like I said, colors are interchangeable. Thank you.